I will talk about how can you log out of your account on your Goodnovel app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here, just click here on settings. So when you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down, click here on logout here. When you just click here on logout, so then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your Goodnovel app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.